Good day, guys. Question 9, 2014 UTME. A change in demand for a normal good implies that there is a change in demand for a normal good implies that there is a option A, shift in the demand curve. Option B, a movement along a given demand curve. Option C, change in price elasticity of demand. Option D, change in the quantity demanded as price change. If you look at this question, it relates to theory of demand in economics. If you are talking about a change in demand for a commodity, it means that different quantities of a commodity are demanded at a particular price, and change in demand is caused by all factors that affect demand except price of the commodity. Now, from these options, option A talks about shifts in demand curve. So when there's a shift in demand curve, it means there is a change in demand. It could shift to the left or to the right. Option B talks about movements along a given demand curve. Movement along a given demand curve is caused by changes in price of the commodity and can also be called change in quantity demanded. Option C talks about change in price elasticity of demand. Change in price elasticity of demand can also be termed as movement along the same demand curve or changes in quantity demanded. Option D talks about change in quantity demanded as price change. Don't forget that change in quantity demanded is caused by changes in price of the commodity. From these options now, I'm going to eliminate two wrong options. So option B and option D are totally wrong, because this question wants us to understand what is meant by change in demand. All right, so change in demand for a normal good implies that there is. So option B and D are wrong. So we are left with the correct option and the wrong option. So we are left with option A and C. Option C is also wrong, because change in price elasticity of demand is, if you know from the definition of elasticity of demand, it is affected by price of the commodity. So the right option here is option A, which is shift in demand curve. So another name for change in demand is shift in demand curve. Thank you.